welcome to Cooking Cakes with Chemistry. I'm Mia.
And I'm Ellison, and today we are making a confetti cake with lemon and chocolate glaze.
The ingredients that we are using are flour, baking soda, salt, eggs, and sugar, butter, milk, vanilla, and vegetable oil.
First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease the pan.
After preheating the oven, we are going to whisk together the dry ingredients, flour, baking powder, and salt, then set aside.
In another bowl, we beat together eggs and sugar for 7 minutes. Now we stand and mix for 7 minutes.
While we mix the eggs and sugar together, we are going to warm up 1/2 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of butter in the microwave till melted.
After you take the buttermilk out of the microwave, mix until the butter melts completely into the milk. After the eggs have been whipped long enough, you add the melted buttermilk gradually to the flour and mix. And then, after you mix the buttermilk into the flour, add vanilla and oil into the bowl.
When the wet ingredients are added to the flour, fold in slowly using the mixer.
Pour the batter into the pan. That was a lot. Sprinkles!
The mixture is placed into the oven where heat from the endothermic reaction in the oven is absorbed into the batter, resulting in a solid cake. Once the cake is taken out of the oven, it becomes an exothermic reaction because the heat is being released from the fresh cake.
Some other cool reactions happen in the oven while we wait.
Sugar doesn't just sweeten the cake. When the temperature of the oven heats to 149 degrees Celsius, sugar decomposes and reacts with proteins, amino acids, and reducing sugars. This results in the golden brown edges around the cake.
Another cool reaction occurs with the baking soda. The baking soda breaks down into 3 substances: H2O, CO2, and NaCO3. Since the baking soda is broken down, it is a decomposition chemical equation.
The cake is done after 30 minutes. You can see the golden edges created by the sugar.
While we wait for the cake to cool, we'll go grab the lemon for the lemon drizzle. First, we mix the lemon juice, water, and powdered sugar. This is an interaction between acids and bases.
Lemon juice contains 7 to 10% of citric acid, and the water acts as the base. Citric acid has a 2.2 on the pH scale.
After we finish the lemon glaze, we can start to make the chocolate glaze.
When making the chocolate glaze, the bowl filled with chocolate chips and coconut oil is placed over boiling water.
The fire transfers heat into the water. The water starts to boil once it surpasses 100 degrees Celsius. The boiling water transfers heat into the chocolate chips and coconut oil. The heat from the boiling water results in the chocolate chips to go from a solid to a liquid.
Now we can drizzle the glazes onto the cake after it completely cools.
See? Now we cut and serve.